Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. We have room makeover part 2. This is being made, those are being put together, making this room look cute. Okay, enjoy the video, bye. Alright, in typical fashion, there's just one at the goddamn Kmart. Oh, that we went to. Tell you what, I'm very sick of putting these things together. And then no one wanted it. Yeah. It's real. Ish. Cool. Before. Alright, this is for now until the other one comes in the mail. Ronnie's dog bed arrived in the mail this morning, so let's whiz that together because I'm sick of this thing being on its own. I'm so excited, it's gonna look so good. 2, and then the TV units. I want to paint the TV units white, so I feel like I should do that before I put them together and it won't be as hard.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Tez out of here with that shit. Anyway, we got there. There's 2. Let's stack them. Cute. So it's either stacking them or doing like 2 next to each other with a table. I'm not 100% sure yet. I love them. Love it. It is, we have got furniture paint from Bunnings. I'm going to paint some of this and see how it goes. I have like teeny tiny paintbrush. I got the white. Not sure how this is going to go because it's like glossy and it's doing like bubble things. Primer first. I'll see what this does, and if it needs primer, it needs primer. Okay, 2 coats seem to be working much better.
Oh, because they actually... a week.
Okay, it's been like at least a week. I'm not going to paint them first, we're just going to put them together because I'm so sick of... not that. The ugly TV cabinets behind you. Anyway, let's put these bad boys together and figure out how to paint them later on once they're like all together because it's too much. What the hell is this? Is that meant to be the top? I kind of don't mind that. So that's the top. On the box. It's this tiny thin little nothing. Alright, now I'm gonna...
How come that one has a...
Yeah, so does yours. What are you talking about? That's how we open them though.
I want to go to bed.
Take it down. You're gonna take a nap. Take it down for me.
Good night.
My leg's too fat.
Nice.
Really nicely.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks so cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm like, what the hell? We've missed something. That's alright. I didn't realise the top was... I have finally put together these TV cabinets and they are so freaking cute, can't even deal. But this is them with my, what is it? Selenite tower lamp and then a little lamp on the other side. But they look so cute. My TV is tiny compared to Daniel's, but at least I have one. The lighting on them's not too bad. I kind of wish you could see the top, like the tabletop while filming. And I feel like my bed's in the way and the door's not painted. But with how cute the walls are, much better colour. Bloody love them. They're so cool. Anyway, so when I'm sitting on my couch, this is pretty much what I see. Love it. And yes, the dog beds. Thorin does scratch the back of his, which is annoying, but yeah, cute. My cute little op shop vase I got. Door being painted is next on the list, and a bed head. Where are we? There. I don't have a bed head and I'd like to make one. Sort of like soft and squishy so you can lean against it. Anyway, that is next. It looks so cute, I love it. I made this video of room makeover part 2 because I had a lot of things I had to put together that weren't ready in time. But yes, if you do like it, subscribe, like the video. Cool. Alright, have a good day. Bye!